Hello everybody, it's me RJ here again with another video for you guys. Today we're going to be making a gum wrapper rocket. All you're going to need is a gum wrapper, just like this foil one right here. Go ahead and open the gum and remove the stick. Once we got the gum removed, just flatten out the foil wrapper the best you can. Put your index finger at the end of it, like so. Wrap the foil around your finger like a tube, as you can see here. Then you're going to take the top and twist it and keep twisting it until it's to a point. Now it's time to launch the rocket. We're going to shoot it to the end of my porch, which is 20 feet from where I'm standing. Take the rocket, you put it in your mouth like this, and then blow. So the rocket went a little over 20 feet. It went about 2 or 3 feet past the end of the porch. And that's how you make a gum wrapper rocket. You can play different games with this, so you can shoot them the farthest, or you could line up cups at the end of a table, see if you can shoot them into the cups. Make up your own games as you go. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.